see where they're going to go. Ready, set, go! Hooray! They're having fun looking at those cars racing. So now we're going to add our time cards. Again. Ready, set, go! Zoom! They went. This will just be stuck here. Okay, now let's put more tools. They're having fun looking at those. 1, 2. They went to have some fun. Hooray! So now we're going to make a big slide. Stop! Okay, now let's put more. Quickly. Stop. And then let's put 2 more. They will miss. And let's put more cars because we're having fun. Start. So now I'm going to show you how to do one by one. It's going to let's add more cars.